Hey Jennies, welcome back to my channel. It's Jose Yoon Jung here. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the new Dior Rouge Ultra Care lipsticks. Now, there are two formulas. There is the Flower Oil Radiant Lipstick formula, and there is the Flower Oil Liquid Lipstick. Now, I'm going to just set my face because I've been out and about all day today, and I just feel like oily. Or I think I'm like oil, like dewy, don't you think? Oh, I got it in my mouth. Anyways, we're just gonna moisturize the lips in a bit. So let me, as this dries down, let me look for my little moisturizer. So y'all know I always go and moisturize my lips with the Burt's Bees moisturizer. So I know that these both lipsticks retail for $38, and the lipstick with what was it, the liquid formula one comes in 25 shades, and the actual lipstick itself comes in 21 shades only. And I bought both. Hold on. Actually I went to Nordstrom and I bought one of each of one shade because the bitch is broke. Okay, so I bought the Ultra Care liquid, here it is, and the Ultra Care lipstick, both in the shades 999 Bloom, which I don't know if you've seen on their Instagram post, but I've been following for like the longest, and every time I see a post, I just think they look beautiful, and I've been wanting them. So let's open them up. So this is the liquid one. As you can see, here it is. And that is the wand, the applicator. It looks like a flower petal. I'm gonna swatch over here on my little wrist or arm, whatever you want to call it. Oh, it looks so pretty. Can you see that? Let's see how it plays on the lips. Okay, you guys, hold on. Get my little Jeffree Star. Oh, there it is. Oh, it is so red. I'm liking this formula. It feels so lightweight and very, very moisturized, I suppose. And I talked to the specialist. I went to Nordstrom, and the specialist girl lady, she was telling me that you're supposed to like grab a towel and just like dry it off that way. You're supposed like to dry it off and then you'd be like set all day, but I'm not gonna go out all day with this. Like, I'm gonna take it off in a bit. And we're just gonna see how it goes. Okay, let me read the description on the website. Just says flower oil liquid lipstick, ultra weightless, wearing petal velvet leaves a velvet finish, which I kind of love. So, Rouge Dior Ultra Care liquid is the first Dior lipstick infused with flower oil, delivering ultra lip care and 12-hour wear. Inspired by the flowers so dear to the house of Dior, it comes in a range of soft colors with matte and satiny finishes. Its micro-flocked applicator is the shape of a petal, delivers soft and precise application on the lips. Yeah, I pretty much, I don't know if you can tell, like, I am horrible at applying lipstick. But, oh, I love this. The benefits. So I guess delivers a high color impact and weightless wear for up to 12 hours with no tight or dry sensation. The range of lipsticks available in an array of ultra luminous and natural colors inspired by the flowers of Dior Rouge. Dior Ultra Care liquid comes in two finished matte and satin. The formula is a natural origin camelina and sweet almond oils combined with shea butter and deeply hydrate and moisturize the lips. It's formulated without wax. And these lipsticks features a light and creamy texture that feels soft in the lips. It does feel soft. I mean, creamy. I don't know, like, I just ran my finger and, like, some of it came off. Okay, I'm gonna take this one off and I'm gonna go with this shade. Give me a moment, you guys. Let me apply some more powder there because girls, This is the liquid one, the petal one. And the next one we're gonna go with the Dior Rouge Ultra Care lipstick formula one. In the shade 999 Matte, like I was telling you guys earlier. Here it is. So cute. Look at that color though. The packaging on both of these, it's fucking amazing. Oh, how do you open this? There we go. Oh, look. CD, Christian Dior. So let me talk about this formula. Give me 1 second, you guys. So the Rouge Dior Ultra Care is the first Dior lipstick infused with the flower oil Ultra Care lip and 12-hour wear, inspired by the flowers that are so dear to the Dior house. And this one comes in a range of soft colors with a luminous pearly matte finish. So not a satin one like the other one. The benefits. These deliver a high color impact and weightless wear for 12 hours as well. The lipstick contains a white CD core infused with camelina oil and a derivative of natural origin jojoba for deeply hydrated and moisturized lips in an ultra luminous natural colors. So we're talking about these right here. The letters. I guess they're infused with camelina oil and jojoba derivatives deeply hydrate and moisturize the lips. Shades, oh, this actually comes in 10 shades with a luminous pearly matte finish. And I guess that's about it. Let's see how they try on, okay, you guys? I don't know if I want to, like, rub this one on my hand. But there it is. Fuck my hand, let me just do it on my lips. It feels so nice and smooth, creamy. I'm loving the color on this one. Oh, kind of messed up on top. But look at this. Oh. I love the color. I'm in love. I can't even feel it on my lips. Honestly, it feels like it was a lip balm or a beach moisturizer beeswax. Do you know that little thingy? I think I'm gonna keep this on my lips. But those are the 2 shades that I bought. I mean, well, the 1 shade by each lipstick. I kind of want to buy more. Should I buy more? I don't know. Lately, I've been so into like Dior. And you know what? They stained my arm. Easy. Okay, guys. So, I love them. I love the packaging. I'm loving the formulas. I want to see if this really does last 12 hours. But you know, at the same time, a lipstick will last 12 hours. You know, I want to go on like a fasting type of like test. You know, like the whole day without eating, drinking. I don't think that's even like possible. But I actually want to know the exact like long wear of how long it actually wears. I mean, it says online that it's been tested on 20 subjects. The formulas have, and that 12 hours. But then within those 12 hours, I'm eating, I'm drinking, I'm sucking dick, I'm doing things that most lipstick will come off. So I love it. I'm happy with this purchase. So you guys, if you guys like these lipsticks, let me know. And if I need to work on, I know I need to work on my lipstick application, let me know. Give me some tips, because I suck at this. I can't do liquids. It's a difficult thing to do. So apply lipstick with the applicators that they come with. And then they're like, my friends are like, oh, you should conceal, add foundation to hide, blah, blah, blah. Sounds like a lot of work. Why can't it just be like stepping onto your lips? And then I see people overline their lips. I don't like overlining. There's too much. But, I love it. I'll definitely be buying more of these. Maybe next weekend. I'm not sure. Well, that's it for today's video, you guys. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your aunties, share with everybody. And we can all be Jennies together, okay, you guys? Thank you so much. Love you.